Hi everybody, this is Mark Hutton, and this is this week's 2-minute tip. Dealing with sensory problems. Parents of children with Asperger's or high-functioning autism often recognize early that there are some sensory problems with their child. The child may have a hyperactive startle response to various kinds of noises, and some of them walk around acting deaf because they've had to tune out the excessive noise around them. Asperger's children also have difficulty with tactile stimulation. They may have a startle response whenever they're touched, or they may feel uncomfortable whenever they're held. They may also become overwhelmed whenever they're wearing new clothing that their body hasn't become accustomed to. The child may prefer certain textures of clothing, for example, soft, loose cotton. There can also be difficulty tolerating certain textures or tastes of food, and parents need to be aware of this when trying new foods or when the child enters a new eating environment, for example, school lunches or eating at the home of others. Coping with some of these sensory difficulties often means having an understanding of the common problems and trial and error regarding the specific issues your child has. For example, new clothing may need to be washed a few times until it's softer and easier to wear. Oftentimes, girls with Asperger's cannot tolerate the rubbing of their legs together, and so they need to wear pants rather than dresses. The proper middle ground between sensory deprivation and a noisy, chaotic environment needs to be found and maintained whenever possible. Exposing the child to dozens of screaming children at the daycare center may not be the best option for the child with Asperger's. Parents also need to find the most effective way to give affection to their child without creating more anxiety. Cuddling with your child may be less of an option than just verbally showing approval. Parents can show their affection in ways that are less stressful to the child, but still give the same comfort message. As your child ages, he or she may have greater insight into what kinds of things they can tolerate and which things they can't. Until then, parents need patience and creativity in finding the right middle ground that leaves the child as comfortable as possible.